Mark, I have a question that came in. How does the size of your organization impact your fulfillment strategy? For example, is it best for smaller companies to outsource and or should we try to grow the knowledge in-house? What are your thoughts on that?
There's a few different things that go into all of that. So when you do a startup, there are definitely some advantages to at first controlling your processes, because you don't necessarily know what your market might look like yet, or the quality of your goods might not be a known entity yet when you first make them. So there are definitely some span of control advantages from when you're just doing a startup and only processing small amounts of orders, to having a direct line of control to all of your inventory, having the ability to be hands-on with all of it and control the quality and basically build your internal processes so you know what you expect, not only when it comes to shipping the goods, but you know what to expect when it comes to receiving the goods and inspecting them and all of those kind of things. The caveat to that is that a good 3PL that has been in the industry for any length of time can take those things that you are going to be doing, that inspection process, your receive process, your shipping processes, and they bring a ocean's worth of wealth of knowledge in regard to those types of things. So a good 3PL brings all of the historical knowledge that they have in regard to those inspection processes, the receiving processes, storage processes, everything from the labeling of the goods to the creation of barcodes and your part numbering system, and then all the compliances that go right along with it. So when you have small amounts of orders and you're kind of in a specialty industry, at first for your business, it may be advantageous for you to have that direct line of control. But once you get beyond a certain point of orders, and that point probably realistically is right around that 50 order a day mark, a 3PL is only advantageous for you to pursue and to basically get a working relationship with, because they can take all of the things that you're working through and spending all of your time on and not only complete them quickly and efficiently, they can also offer you other alternatives like relationships with different shipping carriers to substantially reduce your shipping costs, and add things to the process from an inspection standpoint, which the average person may not even be aware of initially.
That's fantastic, Mark. And I'm also going to throw out there that, and I'm going to offer you up, if you are looking at doing fulfillment with a 3PL, or you're really unsure of which way you want to head, this is something that you can contact Scarborough, and we are happy to set up a Zoom meeting and talk you through what is going to be best practice for your current situation. So we are offering free consultations just to find out your background and really help walk you through what will be best for you and where you're at today. So feel free to reach out to us after this. Our email will be at the end of this webinar on this page. So let's move on.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, I mean, every solution for every different client, irregardless of the industry that they're in, is customized to that client and to that particular product. There's really no box stock one size fits all approach for anything, not only that we do, but that anyone should do.